Hello and welcome from another video. For this video we have my favorite console, Nintendo DS Lite. With this Nintendo DS Lite being, when I power on the device, the bottom screen it's flicker. It's a very common fault and I hope I will help a lot of people with the same problem. Let's see how to fix it. I noticed that the volume slider it's missing, so someone already opened it and tried to fix it.
I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
So let's see what's this common fault. When the upper screen is flickering, the bottom it's the problem with the bottom screen. It's two faults with the bottom screen. Or the bottom screen itself is broken, or the connector is not correctly inside. As you can see, I can't even push inside the connector of the bottom screen. Someone asked too much pressure and destroyed the ribbon cable. Thank you for being here. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.
If you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're.